לי זמן, אבל לי חיים יותר נוח. מה אתה מציע לי? להמשיך ישר או לפנות?
לא, לפנות ימינה, בן אדם. שכלוך שם.
לא, אבל אני אף פעם לא יודעת עד איפה לנסוע שם.
אני אגב.
אני חושבת עדיף לי לנסוע שם.
אז תיסי ישר, זה אותו דבר. תיסי ישר, תיסי ישר.
Last time from the demonstration. From the demonstration we songs I like the tune. No, I like tunes and the music of the Israeli songs. I don't understand the words or lyrics, but I like to listen. The tune today, it was fantastic. It's a new, what to say, new experience. I never attend this kind of programs. And when I came with you,
What?
and I learn many things, and I attend many programs
Yes.
with you.
With us?
כן.
Ah.
So it was very nice for me.
Good.
With the other people who you work
No,
with, no?
no.
Why you didn't want to?
I never go in my life. No, they were not like Rami Levy.
If I change my name, then
Maybe. But I don't want you to change your name. It's a perfect name, Rami Levy.
You know, Rami Levy is one of very
Big business company,
big supermarkets.
supermarkets. But that is not Rami Levy. Rami Levy, the original Rami Levy is here.
What?
The original
Yeah.
Rami Levy is here.
זוכר רבי שפעם, קשר ביממה התוכנית שלנו, שישבתי שם. הוא אמר, פעם היו אומרים, רם לוי היו מדברים על לחם, על חלקי, זה היום אומרים רמי לוי, מדברים על סופרמרקט. זוכר?
כן.
Rami, when you got the Price is Right,
93.
93?
Yes.
In the 93, the program was not organized like today in the hall.
No, it was something.
It was not this.
Something.
No, I mean the same model, this kind of program,
Not the problem.
same like.
No,
I know the Israeli prize program is different, but I want to know that time there was no well organized stage or the host and the mic system, sound system, and the idea of a program. It was different, Nahon. I think so.
it wasn't. זה מקום זה היה, אבל
Maybe.
in Jerusalem, yes,
It was in Jerusalem Theater.
yes.
So Jerusalem Theater is also nice and big. I was there many times. Yes, always there. With Gur and Dalia, we went the usually concert for there. Yeah, many times. Yes. It was sometimes it's good, sometimes
You participate like today?
not very long time. I was allowed to interfere with Gur in a wheelchair.
How is it? How is it with the wheelchair?
With the wheelchair,
Is it better or worse than what we do with our system? It's a system. with the system,
איזה סיסטם?
C-Class, כרטיסי ישר,
אה,
גדול.
אני נוסעת לשם, קצת עייפה.
Now אני מבין what Rami is saying. For me, everything is easy for me. Everything is I don't compare. With the situation of the people, I am okay. But it seems and physically, it's very easy for me
Yes.
with Rami. To compare to others, also very easy and so much fun and learning so many things.
What?
Learning so many things, so much fun, so much walking, so many things share each other. To share opinion and everything with each other.
More than with who and
Good.
Enek?
Edek.
Edek. Sounds like a Polish name. Edek.
He came from Poland to Holland. Ram is right. And there was something, I don't know, there war or police are not good people, they say. And they left Poland. That time they left their everything. And until now, Edek's sister, she is going to claim their own property in
Poland?
Poland.
In Holland.
In Poland, from Holland. She is Holland, still Holland. And Edek came Israel, and she lived in Holland. But before they were in Poland,
One of them.
all of them. And she is not real sister. She was adopted. Adopted means there was a different story. After the war, after the Second World War,
She was adopted after.
they were kids.
Uh-huh.
Listen, I think I will try to walk a little bit.